this video we're going to show how the model maintenance activity can be automated using InfoWorks WS Pro. In this example we are going to use the Open Data Import Center to import new node, pipe and customer point to reflect a new development that has been recently built. Our model therefore needs to be updated, and this can be done through the Open Data Import Center. The config file is what we use to cross-match the information that are on the external asset registry with the field that we have inside the InfoWorks database, and we need to perform this operation for each specific object that we are going to import. In addition to node, pipe and customer point, we could also import valve, pumps and other type of control. Now that we have imported this new development, we need to commit the change, and that essentially means to save the change to the workgroup database. At this point, all the new change will be available for all the other users that will have the ability to open the network and see what changed. Within the Run dialog, we have the ability to create a new simulation and update the version of our control network to take into account the new development. The simulation will run in the background, and at the end of the simulation we can right-click on the run and open as a result for comparison. Once we have done this, we can use the standard reporting tool to select any object like an hydrant and look at the pressure and at the result difference between the two runs. This entire process can be automated using Exchange, which will bring the config file and automatically perform the model update, commit and the simulation. As you can see here, the run is performing in the background, and if I refresh my object tree, I will see the new run that I can again open as a result for comparison. So if you look at the top here, we're looking at the future development run that has just been created, and I can look at the same object that I was looking before. The green line is the same because we have done the same operation here, but on an automated basis using Exchange.